Welcome to the installation video of Fishbone Offroad's Hood Louver series for Jeep's Wrangler line. Step 1. Remove any accessories or utilities installed on your hood, such as footman loops and windshield bumpers. Step 2. Lay your louver onto the hood in your desired location. With a paint marker or similar, carefully mark the locations of the bolt holes onto the hood, ensuring the louver doesn't slide around. Step 3. Remove the louver. With a hole punch, punch the hole markings and make pilots for your drill bit. Optional. If the louver you purchased is raw aluminum, paint your part at this time. Step 4. With a 3/16 drill bit, carefully drill the hole markings and pilots into your vehicle's hood. Be careful to not drag metal shavings across the hood and scratch the paint. Step 5. Replace the louver and begin loosely assembling it with the included bolts, washers, and nuts. Once in place, secure the hardware with a 3mm Allen and a 10mm socket. Finally, resecure your vehicle's footman loop and other hood accessories. Enjoy your new Fishbone Off-Road Hood Louver.